Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute. Today, I'm gonna show you how to recover your deleted account on Discord. So here, I'm just going to delete my account. But before you delete it, you have to enter your password to verify that the account is not hacked. Anyway, I just deleted my account, and now we're gonna try to restore it back. First, you have to go to your Discord login. Then you will have to provide your email address and password. Then all you have to do is click Restore Account and your account will be restored. And you'll be back in your account. Your account is only in this pending deletion state for 14 days. If you do not see this dialog box when logging in, then your account has already been permanently deleted and cannot be restored. Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.